Hi guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, 5:45 a.m. I'm already here inside my quail quail farm. Uh, I check if they lay egg already. This is our new cage, guys. One, two, three layers. This one here is Japanese Taiwan down. They are already laying egg for 3 days, and this is we collect for today, guys, for this one cage for Japanese Taiwan. And we have also here Japanese shuttle. They also lay egg, but it's only a few egg you can collect here. And hopefully in this area we can accommodate 1,300 heads of quail, guys. Now I'm preparing for another cage. I will remove this cage. I will put this outside, then I will replace another two cage here, two layer cage. Hopefully I share with you another idea for our cage, guys. Bye bye and God bless.